Looking for a place to relax and connect with nature? At Soy Ecoturista, you will find a wide variety of accommodations, located in fantastic protected natural areas or their surroundings. Whether you are looking for the exclusivity of a charming hotel, or if you prefer the comfort of a country house, or the feeling of freedom sleeping in a campsite, we have the accommodation that best fits your way of traveling and experiencing nature. At Soy Ecoturista, you will only find certified accommodations, which guarantees quality and commitment to the environment. And by staying in them, you contribute to conserving and protecting that natural space. Your host will be delighted to welcome you and will tell you everything you need to make the most of the protected area, so that you too feel part of it. Find the retreat for your next getaway. Visit soyecoturista.com and book your accommodation. Soy Ecoturista. I conserve and protect.